Sales Navigator, you beauty, you are the best. Hi guys, this is Sampath from Intandemly. I've just seen a very quick hack that on LinkedIn itself about Sales Navigator. It's so basic and I found it really powerful. So these are the three steps that you should be following to make the best use of Sales Navigator. Number one, first actually list all the contacts that you have personally made in the last, I would say, 5 years or even 10 years for that matter. That can include your ex clients, your ex bosses, your colleagues, your friends, and and just make a list out of everyone, and you should be knowing them personally. Step number two, go to Sales Navigator, go to this tab called as lists and create a list called as my contacts, and add all these contacts that that you have established over the last period of time, that is between 5 to 10 years. Step number three, Sales Navigator will be alerting you whenever these people change their jobs or they have moved on in their career to another organizations. Then you get an opportunity to pitch them again about whatever you're doing and your services. This sounds really simple, but I felt it was super powerful and we actually don't make use of. So let me know if this kind of works for you, and if there's an efficient way to do this, also let me know.